Welcome to the Travel Excursion channel. Our journey brings us to Estelí, Nicaragua, a vibrant city nestled in the misty highlands, surrounded by rolling green hills and breathtaking mountain vistas. This is a place where nature and culture blend seamlessly, creating a unique energy that's impossible to ignore. So, pack your sense of wonder, grab your backpack, and get ready to explore the beating heart of Nicaragua. Let's set out on this journey together and discover the magic of Estelí. Just outside the vibrant city of Estelí lies Miraflor Nature Reserve, a living, breathing painting of cloud forests, rolling hills, and cool, misty air that seems to hang suspended between the treetops. Over 200 bird species call this magical place home, from the vibrant toucans with their rainbow beaks to the elusive jewel-toned quetzal. Hikers and birdwatchers alike will find paradise here, with winding trails that meander beneath ancient trees draped in moss and orchids. For those who want to truly immerse themselves, stay overnight in one of the cozy eco-lodges nestled within the reserve. These rustic cabins blend seamlessly into the landscape, offering comfort and tranquility surrounded by nature's beauty. Wake up to the haunting calls of howler monkeys echoing through the morning mist, and watch as wildlife stirs just outside your window. Lace up your boots, pack your camera, and let yourself get lost in nature's embrace. Every corner of Miraflor offers a new discovery, whether it's a hidden orchid, a rare butterfly, or a breathtaking view. Back in town, the Estelí Artisans Market is a kaleidoscope of creativity. Hand-woven baskets, carved masks, and pottery fill every corner. Each piece tells a story. The real magic? Meeting the artisans, learning about their heritage, and sharing a conversation over coffee. This market is more than shopping. It's about connection and community. Leave room in your suitcase for handmade treasures that carry the spirit of Estelí. These aren't just souvenirs, they're memories wrapped in color and kindness. Time for adventure. The Salto Estanzuela waterfall is a hidden gem just outside Estelí. The trail winds through green hills and forests, leading to a stunning cascade and a cool, inviting pool. Kick off your shoes, jump in, and soak up the fresh, misty air. Locals and travelers come here to swim, picnic, and unwind in nature's embrace. If you're lucky, you'll spot daring cliff jumpers making a splash. Don't forget your camera. This is a memory you'll want to keep. For breathtaking views, head to Tisey Estanzuela Natural Reserve. Rolling hills and distant mountains inspire artists and adventurers alike. Visit workshops where artisans transform wood, stone, and seeds into beautiful crafts. Hike to panoramic viewpoints for a picnic or a quiet moment. Sample homemade cheeses and preserves from local communities. Tradition served with a view. The air is crisp, the scenery lush, and the peace here is unforgettable. Tisey is where nature and creativity meet. Slow down at the Estelí Cathedral, the city's historic heart. Its white facade and soaring ceilings offer a blend of old-world charm and local character. Step inside for a moment of quiet reflection, or catch a choir rehearsal echoing through the halls. The cathedral stands as a symbol of Estelí's resilience and spirit. Don't miss the intricate ceiling details. They're worth a closer look. Light a candle, soak in the history, and feel the city's heartbeat. Estelí is cigar country, a place where the air is thick with the aroma of tobacco and the legacy of craftsmanship. For anyone visiting Nicaragua, a tour of these world-renowned factories is an absolute must, offering a rare glimpse into a tradition that has shaped the region for generations. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by the rich, earthy scent of curing tobacco leaves. Watch as skilled artisans, many of whom have learned the trade from their parents and grandparents, expertly roll each cigar by hand. Their movements are precise and practiced, a testament to years of dedication and pride in their work. The workers here are eager to share their passion and knowledge. Don't hesitate to ask questions, or even try your hand at rolling a cigar under their guidance. It's a hands-on experience that reveals the artistry and patience required to create each perfect cigar, and you'll gain a new appreciation for the process. Even if you're not a smoker, you'll find yourself captivated by the tradition, skill, and dedication that go into every step. The pride on the faces of the workers is unmistakable, and their stories bring the history of Estelí's cigar industry to life. For those who do indulge, there's truly no better place to savor the unique flavors and aromas of Estelí's finest cigars. Enjoy a tasting in a cozy lounge, where each puff tells a story of tradition and passion. More than just factories, these are vibrant communities where camaraderie and pride run deep. Visiting Estelí's legendary cigar factories is an unforgettable journey into the heart of Nicaragua's cultural heritage. Estelí's story comes alive at the Galería de Héroes y Mártires. Murals here are more than art. They're a record of struggle, hope, and resilience. Walk the gallery to see faces and scenes that honor Nicaragua's heroes and dreamers. It's a powerful, moving space that invites reflection and conversation. Let the murals speak to you and connect with Estelí's living history. Breathe in country air at La Garnacha Ecological Community, where sustainability and tradition thrive. Watch cheese made from pasture to plate, join a workshop, and tour organic gardens. The community crafts everything from jams to herbal remedies, all with heart. Stay for a meal or a night and experience hands-on sustainable living. You'll leave with a full belly, a happy heart, and a new perspective on working together. La Garnacha is a taste of community at its best. Discover El Jalacate, where Don Alberto Gutierrez has turned cliffs into a gallery of dreams. Walk winding paths to see animals, heroes, and everyday scenes carved into stone. Meet Don Alberto, hear his stories, and feel the magic of one man's vision. This isn't your typical tourist stop, it's personal, inspiring, and unforgettable. Let the stones tell their story and spark your imagination. In the heart of Estelí, Casa de Cultura Leonel Rugama buzzes with creativity. Art exhibits, poetry readings, and music fill this cultural center named for a revolutionary poet. Meet local artists, join a workshop, and experience Estelí's vibrant creative scene. You'll leave inspired and maybe with a few new friends. Craving adrenaline? Try Estelí's Canopy tours for a high-flying adventure. Soar above the treetops on ziplines with the valley spread out below. Trained guides ensure safety and fun, even for first-timers. Between rides, learn about the local ecosystem and forest preservation. It's exhilarating, unforgettable, and offers a whole new view of Estelí. Suit up and let yourself soar. End your tour with a stroll through Estelí's vibrant street art scene. Murals burst from walls, telling stories and celebrating community in every color. Wander neighborhoods to find everything from abstract art to portraits of local heroes. The city becomes an open-air museum, reflecting Estelí's resilient, hopeful spirit. Keep your camera handy and chat with artists at work. In Estelí, the walls really do talk, and they've got a lot to say. That's Estelí, cloud forests, creative streets, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you seek adventure, culture, or peace, this city welcomes you. I hope you're inspired to pack your bags and see Estelí for yourself. Like, subscribe, and share your own Estelí stories in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring. There's a world of wonder waiting for you.